Well, hello internet. I'm Dimitro, and I'm back again with another problem regarding crypto arithmetic problem. So here I am, and if you have seen my first video, I hope that you'll be getting a glimpse of how to approach this kind of a problem. And in this problem, I will not be discussing much about the attitude or the approach of the problem. You'll be just be given an overview of how to solve this problem. So this is a tricky situation in which there will be, as you can see, there are numbers, basically alphabets. Beg your pardon. There will be alphabets reoccurring, and there are, yes. So there will be a lot of carry situation coming up. So without much wasting time, I'll be just getting into the problem directly. As you can see, there are five alphabets, and there are five alphabets, and you are getting six alphabets as an output. So obviously you are getting D as a carry, so D will be our carry, which gives us the license to say D will be 1. So let's just strike off D by strike off 1, basically. Strike off 1 and place it D just for our own idea that which alphabet is been assigned to which number. Now in order to generate a carry, you need such a big number. So since C and R are different, there is no chance it can be 5 and it can be 5 again. There is no chance as it can be 5 or 6. Oh, 5 and 6, because 5 plus 6 gives us 11. Since D is 1, A cannot be 1. There is no question that D will be any other number apart from 1, because the highest number that you can generate from this is basically 17. So 1, it will obviously be there. So just for the sake, I'm considering C to be 9. And what about my R? Now there are things that you might consider regarding R. First question is that can it be 0? Obviously not, because you need to generate a carry, so it cannot be 0. R cannot hold the position of 0. No, it cannot. Can it be considered 1? Obviously again no. Can it be considered 2? Again no. Why? Because 9 plus 2 gives us 11, so no question. 2 it cannot. Now can it be considered 3? Yes, it can be considered. Obviously it can, because then 9 plus 3 gives us 12. But you need to consider over here. See, while solving these problems, you need to be very careful, because otherwise there will be a situation in which it's completely useless, but you'll be then wasting your time. Because see, if I consider 3, r's value to be 3, what am I doing? See, s plus s, two numbers are giving me 3. Is it possible? No, I'm dealing with integers. I'm not dealing with some kind of a decimal value or a float value or a double value, which would give me my r to be 3. So it will not be possible. So these 3 is also out of the box. Now what can I consider r? R has to be, definitely R has to be an even value. So I can start by considering R to be 4. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Then let us consider R to be my 4. So if I consider my C to be 9 and R to be my 4, what am I getting my A? I am getting my A as 3. And now since D, I didn't say one thing, since D is reoccurring in rows, obviously since we considered 1, D will obviously here also be 1, because since the alphabet is reoccurring, the number will also be reoccurring. Other thing is that R is also occurring again. So since R has to be 4 here, R will obviously again be 4 here. Now how to generate 4? It has to be 2. It has to be 2. S then will be 2, and S here would be again 2. So 2 plus 1 gives me what? 3. Now see here, there is a conflict. We cannot get A in E the same value. So there lies our again this conflict situation. So R cannot be 4, since the matter entirely started from R's value, isn't it? So if we change R's values over here, A's value will change, E's value will change, S value will be changed. So we need to reconsider our R's value. So with that, I think I'll consider my R's value. This is my D obviously, and I'm considering my C to be 9. My R's value this time, so since it is to be even number after 4, what am I getting? Let me consider it as 6. Okay, so if my R is 6, I'm just considering my R to be 6. What am I getting? This is my 15. This is 5. So my A then becomes 5. If this is my D is obviously 1, R is my 6. If I consider this to be 6, then my S will also be 3. Then this is 3. Then this gives me E to be 4. Till now I hope that it is clear. Since I considered, I don't think there is any issue. Now what to assign, since I think I'm writing a lot, I'm not assigning. Okay, let's just strike off 3 and put here S. What am I getting? Rest. E is my 4, so this will be my E. I think the strike off numbers, I think the numbers are not pretty much left, so this will be like this. Okay, uh, since my R is going to be 6, so definitely this is 6. 6 plus O gives me N, and O plus A gives me G. So the O's value will be quite crucial because it is reoccurring here also and here also. Now O and N, I don't know what is O and N, isn't it? So why not consider O to be my 2? Let's consider O to be 2. I cannot consider, see, 6 plus 2 gives me 8. 6 plus 1 gives me 6 plus 2 gives me 8. Okay, 2 is also not assigned, 8 is also not assigned. 6 plus 0 cannot be N, isn't it? It has to be R. So 0 and 7 are already out of course, question. 6 plus 1 cannot give 1. O cannot be 1, isn't it? So O can be only assigned with the value 2. So just strike off 2 and place here O, which gives me my N to be what? N to be 8. So I'm just striking off 8 and putting here N. Rest of the part, I think it's going to be quite clear because 5, what is A over here? This is 5 and this is what? 5 and 2. So it's perfectly balanced. 5 plus 2 gives me what? 7. So this 7 would be striked off and it would be assigned to what? It will be assigned to G. And I think the rest of the alphabets are also balanced. Let's check again. 3 plus 3 gives us 6, 3 plus 1 gives us 4, 2 plus 5 gives us 7, 6 plus 2 gives us 8, 6 plus 9 gives us 15. So as you can see, these problems are very, very crucial regarding the way the numbers are assigned and how the numbers are assigned. So with that, I take your leave. Hopefully this video would be of some use to you. I'll be keeping on posting this kind of useful things, and hopefully it would be benefiting you in a positive manner. With that, tata.